Uy, Shano.
Yes,
Carpet.
the carpet. I buy for you the carpet. I buy. I come in Philippines and I buy for you. Not here. I can't please it. Yeah, I'm your friend. Oh, no, wait. Boss. Okay, well. What I'm saying to you? What I'm...
Thank you dahil sa pag-press ng heart. Basta sa di ka nag-like sa...
What I'm saying to you, I can't send you in private money, I feel like if I spend the money, you don't collect money over. I send you some money. I prefer, I'm your friend. You know that. You avoid me. Fuck it. I like it.
Are you in the mall?
No, I'm going now.
Going
I'm on the
home?
bus.
Okay.
I'm on the bus now.
Because you don't have your own car?
No, because I don't need. I walk around my town. I have a car. I sold it. I go with my colleague with the company car. And today he used the car. I have a nice car.
Perfect.
Spend the money to leave the car to the car park.
Pero pinagulat ako, ang sa pagkakapilang papapisa ko, hindi mo sabi.
Hey, do you drive? Do you drive?
Drive? Yeah, I know how to drive with my stepper.
You drive or not? Huh?
Yes, Papa.
You drive, so good.
Papapi ba yan?
You speak Filipino. You dance. Always I catch you, always. You always see 24 hours. This is your job.
Okay. Oh, you need to off the box. I need to off the box, okay?
Okay.
Okay, thank you.
Bye-bye.
Dapat dyan.